Hi guys, welcome back to Tag Team Friday. This is Lisa. Today I thought I would show you how to put together a really quick and easy tag around a color scheme. And I chose the color scheme from the inspiration of this little vintage box of paper reinforcers that I bought at a flea market. So I chose images that were black, red, white, and then I ended up throwing blue in there because I don't know, it's just how I roll. So that's how the creative process is sometimes, right? So the first thing I did was I went to my big giant overflowing basket of scraps that I have at this point, and I pulled out anything with those colors. And then I went to the premium membership site and I did a search with those search terms, those colors, and I pulled the images that I liked into a blank document in Photoshop Elements. You could also do this in Microsoft Word. And that allows you to resize them exactly how you would like and just print out one sheet rather than multiple sheets of paper. So if you do not have one of those programs, you can still make this tag. You'll just print each image out individually and save the paper scraps for another project. So let's jump right into this. I'm going to just use some of these images. I narrowed it down. So I have this cool script paper that was a scrap from another project, and this is like a French newsprint, and this is as well. And I have a Union Jack. I use this guy. I love this. This is from the Junk Journaling bundle, I believe. That bundle and the mini ephemera pieces bundle are probably my two favorites. And I have this little, I guess you'd call it a medallion or a little flag. And I went ahead and put this on a piece of cardstock. And I'll show you why in just a minute. I have an elephant, a blue flower, a fragile do not drop handle with care, and some lined paper for the back. And then this really cool, very graphic print. I love that. And this gorgeous butterfly. This one is from the free blog. I think all the rest were from the premium membership site. And then, let's see, I have a little number 5 or a number 2, maybe. I don't know what I do with it. So we'll go with the number 5. How about that? And then the rest of these I'm going to save for another day. So the first thing that you'll need is just a piece of cardstock or a tag. And I wanted to share this new glue stick that I found with you. This is called Elmer's Craft Bond Repositionable Glue Stick. And I'm super excited about this because whenever I'm trying to design a collage, I always find that they kind of blow all around and I end up losing pieces of them like I just did with the number 2. So this repositionable glue stick lets you kind of work with the images and move them around to find your favorite spot for them. And then when you have your layout all figured out, you can just glue it down with a regular, I like to use a Yoo-Hoo glue stick, and that will make it more permanent. So it's an extra step that you could definitely skip, but I'm loving it. So this is going to be the back of the tag, and I'm just going to add this Union Jack, but I'm going to leave this mostly blank for journaling. Let's see, how did I have it? Like that. Okay, and then we'll flip it over and we'll do the front. I'm going to start with the script, and I'm going to put that down as the background. I really like to work with black and white documents or, different papers. I think it's just a nice sort of neutral background for whatever you decide to do on top. And I also like to change the direction. So this one is going this way, and this one I'm going to put on going vertically. And this one I'll put right here on the side, I think. Let me fold this down. and I'll cut that in a second. All right, and then this little one is going to go at the top. And I already just punched the holes in these with a hole punch. All right, so there's our background. That was quick, even though it was a lot of images. And then I'm gonna put this cute elephant right here, allowing enough space. I'm gonna put a little hole reinforcer right there. Okay, and then this was kind of the inspiration, this fragile do not drop handle with care graphic. I love this. I think it's cute with the elephant too. So I'm just going to slide it right under his feet here, I think. But you see how this glue stick, it lets you fiddle with it, which I absolutely love. I know, I sound like this is not a paid ad. I just love this glue stick and I wanted to share it with you guys. All right, so then next I'm going to do this little one. Oh, here's the number 2. He reappeared. All right, I'll get some glue on him. And I'm just going to stick him right here. And these numbers are also on the, I believe they're on the premium membership site. If you're not familiar, there are 2 sites for the Graphics Fairy. There's the original free blog, and then there is the newer premium membership site. So you can become a member and get some amazing images, but you can also use images from the free blog, whatever you like. I'm going to put this one right here. And then I love this gorgeous butterfly, and I'm going to put him on the side and he's going to overlap, and then I'll cut the back off. So I want him to go, I think, underneath here. Let's see. That guy's a little crooked there. I'm going to fold this over on the back, and then I'm going to cut it. Straighten that up. And then we're just going to stick this blue flower down here in the corner. He ripped, but I'm just going to stick it back together. I just wanted to repeat the blue from up here a little bit, so he's going to go right there. All right, so here is another cool Photoshop trick. If you don't have Photoshop, I think it's about 99 bucks, and there are lots of tutorials on the premium membership site for Photoshop. It's not very difficult to learn, and once you do, there are a lot of really cool things that you can do. So I pulled this image in, selected this color, and then I just created a circle and I dropped that color into it so that I could have a matching little hole reinforcer to the red that is in the collage. So it just, there's just a lot of little cool things that you can do with it. Unfortunately, my printer was not in its best shape when I printed this out, but it's fine. All right, so we're just going to stick that guy right there. And then I'm going to use my hole punch to punch right through it. And we're just about done. Now we just need some twine, or I have this black, I guess it's a twine or a cord. I'm going to stick that through. And that's it. This is the front. This is the back, and I'm probably going to cut this butterfly wing off. In fact, I'll just do it right now. There we go. So I hope that you guys like this one. I tried to keep it nice and short, quick and easy for you. Please give the video a like if you enjoyed this project, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button if you want to get a notification whenever we post a new video. And I'll see you guys next Friday. Take care, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.